Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Gaurish Nange. In this video lecture, we start the topic matrices and determinants. Okay, we know the matrices are formed by a horizontal rows and vertical columns, and determinant is an expression of matrices, and we can find the determinant of only those matrices whose number of rows and number of columns are equal. So in this determinants, we see the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrices, that is the matrices there are 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns, and determinant of 3 cross 3 matrices. So see the how to find the determinant of any 2 cross 2 matrix. So see, we know the matrix of order 2 cross 2 is this type of matrix: A equal to A B C D, where AB is one of the row, CD is the second row. Okay, AC is the first column and BD is the second column, where A, B, C, D are certain numbers, are functions and symbols. Okay, A, B, C, D can be either it is a number, it is a function, or any symbol. So now how to find the determinant of A matrix? See, if generally this is a 2 cross 2 matrix A, B, C, D, then determinant of A matrix is a cross multiplication subtraction, that is AD minus BC. Take the cross multiplication A into D, B into C and subtract it. AD minus BC is the determinant of A matrix. Now see the example how to find the determinant of any given matrix. Suppose this is a A matrix. See 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So find out the determinant of this matrix according to definition: cross multiplication and subtraction. So 1 into 4 minus 2 into 6 equal to 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. So determinant of this A matrix is a minus 2. See here how it is a minus 2 and why the sign is a negative to the answer. See, this is a plus 4 minus 6, that is one number is a positive, another number is negative. So when opposite signs are given in the number, then operation is subtraction. Okay, we have to subtract these two numbers, and sign to the answer is a sign of a bigger number, that is here 6 is a bigger number and sign of a 6 is a negative or minus. So here answer is a minus 2. In the same manner, remember this: if two numbers are negative and we have to add these two numbers, then operation is a addition and sign for the answer is a negative. Always remember, if both the numbers are negative, then operation is addition. We have to add these two numbers and the answer having sign is a negative. If one of the number is a positive, another is a negative, then operation is a subtraction and sign to the answer is a sign of a bigger number. In the third case, see 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Here 1 is a positive number and minus 2. So 2 is a negative. So operation is a subtraction and the sign of the number or sign to the answer is a sign of a bigger number. So bigger number is 2 and sign of the bigger number is a negative. So here answer is a minus 1. So remember this thing: if opposite signs are given for two numbers, then operation is a subtraction and answer to the sign is sign of a bigger number. And if both the numbers are negative, then operation is a addition and sign is a negative. So remember these things. It is a very important to find out the determinant of any square matrices. Now let's see another example. Find out the determinant of A matrix, where A matrix is a 2 minus 1 0 4. According to definition, cross multiplication and subtraction. So 2 into 4 minus 1 into 0. Okay, here minus 1 into 0. So here 2 into 4 is 8 minus 0. So answer is only 8. 8 minus 0 is 8, and why minus 1 equal minus 1 into 0 is 0, because if we multiply any non-zero number by 0, answer is always equal to 0. So remember this thing, if a is a non-zero number and if we multiply a by 0, then answer is always equal to 0. So here answer is 8 minus 0 equal to 8. Now next, find out the determinant of B matrices. We know the entries in matrices, either it is a function or either it is a number. So see here, cos A minus sin A, cos A. This is the 2 cross 2 matrices. Now find out the determinant of these 2 cross 2 matrices. So cross multiplication, cos A into cos A minus sin A into minus sin A. Okay, cos A into cos A minus sin A into sin A. This minus minus is plus here because of product rule. If we multiply two negative number, answer is always positive. And cos A into cos A is a cos square A. Sin A into sin A is a sin square A. And we know the property of trigonometric function is sin square theta plus cos square theta value is always equal to 1. So here determinant of this P matrix is equal to 1. So remember this thing. And remember all the trigonometric properties also. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. Okay, these are the important in to solve the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrices where entries in the matrices are trigonometric functions. Similarly, now see how to find the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. See here, in this matrix there are 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. See, according to position, general entry first is a A11. A11 means the entry which belongs to a first row first column. A12 first row second column. A13 first row third column. Okay, this is the specific symbols to find the position of matrix, position of element in a matrix. Next, A21, the entry which belongs to a second row first column. A22, second row second column. A23, second row third column. A31, third row first column, third row second column, and third row third column. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrices. Now we have to see how to determine the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. So see here, leading element of each element. A11 is the leading element of first column, A12 is a leading element of second column, and A13 is a leading element of third column. So what is the definition of determinant? Is equal to determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix equal to A11 into minor of A11. See the definition, A11 into minor of A11. So what is the meaning of minor of any element? So see here, A11 belongs to a first row and first column. So delete the first column and first row. Then determinant of the remaining matrix is a minor of A11. So A11 into determinant of A11, sorry, minor of A11, that is A22, A23, A32, A33, minus A12 into minor of A12 plus A13 into minor of A13. Similarly, find out the minor A12, that means delete first row and second column, find out the determinant of remaining matrix. A13, delete first row and third column and find out the determinant of remaining matrix. So this is the definition of determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we see example of determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix in the next video lecture. Okay, and remember all the sign conventions also to find out the determinant. Thank you.